dad, sniper gang, Taliban. Ain't never had no damn dad, just my brothers and my mom. Bringing tears to her eyes, I make her cry like it's fun. I threw away my life 1,000 times, but not no more, I'm done. I'm out here packing out on Valentine, I'm thugging cause it's fun. Make your daughter cry on Valentine, that loving shit be dumb. I'm a cowboy for real, my mama call me Bill. Ball of a new crib with a short in the ill. Look
Alright, so today I'm gonna go buy the 36mm hubs for the fucking bubble and axles so I can get this shit running, because these 32s is not doing it for me. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do these, gonna have to get them shits today. And yeah, I guess we could do that today. They are 36mm hubs and axles for the bubble. Let's get to installing them. Alright, so first things first, let's change the ball joints out of these things. I already got one out. Gotta take this ring off of this one and knock this one out. And we're gonna change the spark plugs in this tray.
Out of me, product of a day, don't know the pain that's inside of me. She lit right on side of me and lied to me. I think the crackers mad I'm legit, or mad I'm getting rich. We took that brand new Beamer truck and wrapped that bitch in 5%. I could've bought it, but I rented it. Soon as we got it, bitch, we tinted it. Now we tryna get in some shit. We smoked that dope back to back, got me floated. The only thing keep them going. Now I know the answer, do dreams come true?
Oh, want to change the spindle. Caliper doesn't work. Doesn't fit. Alright guys, update. Went to go press the hubs today. Didn't work out. Turns out I need Civic brakes, not SI or GSR, because my rotors were GSR rotors, so I need Civic brakes. And the calipers don't work, so I need the caliper brackets. Yeah, so both sides I'm waiting on that, one of my friends to bring it. Also, I figured why I think my issue with this is that my low control arm is bent on this side. I think that's the issue that I'm having. I don't know if you can't really see it on camera, but this one is a little bit more straight angle wise, and then this one is, if you look at it straight, you can kind of see that it's bent. So we're gonna change it right. Hopefully if I find one right now, change it, and yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so pretty much figured out the car. The little control arm was bent. Shout out to my boy Jeff Bell, he gave me a little control arm for free. So the passenger side lower control arm was bent. Yes, I'm out here mad late. Still got my tools out, got clean. But yeah, shout out to my boy Jeff Bell. This lower control arm right here, that shit was bent. Bent to shit. I don't know if I got the old one somewhere around here, but yeah, I think that was my issue, my actual issue why I kept breaking. And yeah, got the new one in. Well, new control arms, new brakes, everything on there. Shout out to my boy Leroy. So what's up, y'all? Good morning. It's another day. I bought this damn axle that I needed, the CRV axle that I needed for the passenger side from my EG. So hopefully this is the last axle I gotta buy. I'm pretty sure this is the last one, but I don't want to jinx it, but I think it is. I also got the lug nuts, the open-end lug nuts that I needed for the wheel studs, since I got the extended ones now. And yeah, let's throw them on. Let's get this car rolling today. I think today's the day. Like, I feel lucky today, guys. So let's see. So I'm about to cut the hatch up. Probably just these rear quarter panels only. Nothing much, nothing crazy, because I think I got cut doors already. So let's see how this goes.
This life we living kind of fast, yeah. This life we living kind of fast, yeah. shit up, TNT. Look at her face, feel I'm floating.
Zano got that vibe.
We take that vibe to the. Back down, back, keep on. We smoke that dope back to back, got me floated. The only thing keep them going. Now I know the answer, do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my review. Tint the windows, both the sides, the front and back, yeah. Don't let them see us when we pass, yeah. Twist the guard, light up the button, hit.
Alright, so here we go. There's a better look at it for now. So the driver's side. Passenger side has way more to cut. So it'll look a little bit more distinct. Gonna be cutting these posts off. This one right here, and that one over there.
First they try to murder me, then they lie to me. Product of a day, don't know the pain that's inside of me. She lit right on side of me and lied to me. I think the crackers mad I'm legit, or mad I'm getting rich. We took that brand new Beamer truck and wrapped that bitch in 5%. I could've bought it, but I rented it. Soon as we got it, bitch, we tinted it. Now we tryna get in some shit. We smoke that dope back to back, got me floated. The only thing keep them going. Now I know the answer, do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my review. Tint the windows, both the sides, the front and back, yeah. Don't let them see us when we pass, yeah. Twist the guard, light up the button, hit the gas, yeah. This life we living kinda fast, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this life we living kinda fast, yeah. This life we living kinda fast, yeah.
Alright, so as y'all can see, I won't lie, the camera was dead today, so I didn't get to do a lot of recording, but a lot of my friends came over today. They helped me out with the axle and all the little issues I had, but as you can see in this next video that I'm gonna drop, the car is running and rolling and driving. Jesus Christ, after a long ass time of going through a lot of issues, finally figured it out, fixed the bent control arm, and got the longest axle that you could get for a K-Series, the CRV axle, and the car is 100% now. So, fuck. I'm gonna drop these videos so y'all can see doing pulls and whatever I was doing today with my friends, just from their cameras and phones and shit. But, yeah, I guess that's it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna start another day. today, I think I'm about to go grab the nitrous stuff for my car today, finally. I just got a little deal on some shit in Connecticut. So I think I'm gonna go there and go pick up this nitrous stuff. It's a full kit. And yeah, I think we're gonna put that on the bubble. Why not? I don't see why not, bro. It's just gonna be a little, it's gonna be a little crazy. It's gonna be a little cool, different. And it's not my first time doing a nitrous setup, but definitely on a K car, it's gonna be different. So let's see how this goes, guys. I'll let you guys know when I'm there and show y'all guys the kit.
Understanding society. First they try to murder me, then they.
Here it is. Just picked up all my nitrous stuff for the bubble. Can't wait to install this. It's gonna be crazy. Oh yeah, I just picked up a fucking new car to part out. FG2 part out. Yeah, man. Oof. I let you know you see it. Oof. Things is getting real. It's getting real in the field. I'm finally gonna go buy the S2000 today and put the hood and the hardtop on, because I see my guy is there. Stretch is there, so I think I'm gonna bring all that stuff there and install it today. Fuck it, let's go over there and go see, guys, if we could get this shit done today. Well, here we go. Just waiting on my man to come tow. Well, not even tow it, but deliver it in this pickup truck, because I can't fit this in my truck. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm at the shop. My boy. Truck. We headed to the body shop. So we're here at the body shop. Got the hood, got the top, we got the car. Out with the old. Okay, we got the new hood on. It's looking good already. Neglected. God damn. Neglected as fuck. Well, I mean, at least I know they're gonna detail it when I get it back, but just, this shit looks sorry as hell. So we got the top down now, got power, we jumped it. So let's start putting this top on, guys. For whoever want to know how to install their hardtop, take this piece over right here, and then you mount your mounting brackets right here. And you got two 12mm bolts, and you got a 10mm bolt right there, and that's where the hardtop mounting bracket goes. Oh yeah, and I am gonna take the self top out, but for now, I'm gonna just install it since the car's in the body shop, and when it comes back from the body shop, I'll take it out. Because I'm gonna be running the roll cage, so there will be no space for this. Because of my bucket seat, I'm having a little issue getting a socket on here, but if you have a ratchet and wrench, you're good. That's what I use. Okay, and vice versa, same thing on this side again. Here's the bolts for when you mount the brackets too. Well, you mount the hardtop to the brackets. It comes already with the hardtop. So your hardtop should have these. The latches. The latches for the front. They go right here. Now time to put all the little sealant outer thingy-majiggers on it before we install it on the car. So we got one side on now. Mounted backwards, so you're gonna have to rotate them. They're not supposed to look like this. They're supposed to be the other way. Right way. And as you can see, the holes will align for the hardtop. Okay, so now you just align it, and then you throw in your little Allen key bolts. There it is. The hardtop on it. I'm in love already. Oh yeah. Can't wait. One step closer. Well, there we go. Leaving now. That's my baby. Alright, so I guess we can end the video there. You guys pretty much seen I did dropped the stuff off for the S2000, so hopefully that car will be painted soon, and you know, it won't take another 3-4 months to get it done. And yeah, I think we gonna end it there. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all get the, whenever I post, y'all get it. Thank y'all for supporting. The car's getting better, and yeah, I'm about to play Xbox. I'm about to play Call of Duty, so you feel me? We about to end it here. Oh, and if y'all play COD and y'all want to play with me, my Xbox Live gamer tag is MadJDM, yo. That's MADJDM YO0. The last character is a 0. Remember that.